Adding a new drive increases your array's capacity, but logical drive 0 won't always see the extra space automatically. In this video, we'll show you how to extend your logical volume to reclaim every gigabyte. To do this, run the modify command. ARCCONF.exe modify 1 from 0 to max 500-10203. From 0. Target logical drive 0 to max. Extends the logical drive to the maximum available capacity of the newly expanded array. 5. Specifies the RAID level. 0003. Lists the specific channel and device IDs for all 4 drives now in the set. After confirming the final extension, we run getconfig 1ld0 to view the logical drive properties. RAID level remains RAID 5. Size. The capacity has successfully increased from approximately 1.8 TB to 2.7 TB. Logical device status shows reconfiguring 7%. The controller is now performing the background task of parity recalculation and data migration to the new stripe width. At this stage, you must expand the OS partition to utilize the additional space. Please note the steps vary depending on the installed operating system.